Hi viewers, thanks for visiting our channel. In summers, as temperature starts increase, we all switch on the air conditioner. But do you ever think how air conditioner works? Before starting, I request you to please do like and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. I'll explain how an air conditioner, AC, works. Air conditioners are used to cool and dehumidify indoor spaces during hot weather. The most common type of AC is a split system, which consists of an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how an air conditioner works. Refrigerant circulation. The AC system uses a refrigerant, typically a chemical compound such as R410A or I-22. The refrigerant is circulated between the indoor and outdoor units through a closed-loop system of copper tubing. It absorbs heat from the indoor space and releases it outside. Evaporation. The refrigeration cycle begins in the indoor unit, which contains an evaporator coil. The refrigerant enters the coil as a low-pressure, cool gas. As warm indoor air is blown over the coil by a fan, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air and evaporates, transforming into a low-pressure, cool vapor. Compression. The now gaseous refrigerant is then drawn into the outdoor unit, where it reaches the compressor. The compressor is a vital component that pressurizes the refrigerant, increasing its temperature and energy. Condensation. The high-pressure, hot vapor refrigerant then flows into the outdoor unit's condenser coil. A condenser fan helps dissipate the heat as outdoor air is blown over the coil. As the refrigerant loses heat, it condenses back into a high-pressure liquid. Expansion. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion valve or metering device, which restricts its flow and reduces its pressure. This causes the refrigerant to rapidly expand, becoming a low-pressure, cool mixture of liquid and vapor. Heat absorption. The cool refrigerant returns to the indoor unit's evaporator coil. As warm indoor air is blown over the coil, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, restarting the cycle. The extracted heat is transferred to the outdoor unit for dissipation. Dehumidification. As the air passes over the evaporator coil, the cooling process causes moisture in the air to condense on the coil's surface. This helps dehumidify the indoor air, reducing its moisture content. Air circulation. The cooled and dehumidified air is then circulated back into the indoor space through air ducts or vents by a blower fan. This process continues until the desired temperature is reached in the room. Thermostat control. The AC system is controlled by a thermostat, which senses the indoor temperature. Once the desired temperature is reached, the thermostat signals the system to cycle off temporarily. When the temperature rises again, the AC system restarts to maintain the set temperature. This is a simplified explanation of how air conditioners work. Different types of AC systems may have variations in their components and processes, but the basic principles of heat transfer and refrigeration remain the same.